Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Board of Intermediate Education Karachi Intermediate Examination 2022 एनुअल एग्ज़ाम्स के पेपर्स के सोल्यूशन के हवाले से एक नई वीडियो के साथ हाजिर हूँ। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं इंग्लिश कंपलसरी पेपर 1 जो फर्स्ट ईयर का पेपर है उसके बारे में, और ये पेपर है कॉमर्स ग्रुप का रेगुलर एंड प्राइवेट। ठीक है, तो इसके जो MCQs हैं उनके आंसर देख लेते हैं कि क्या है और उसमें सही ऑप्शन क्या है। ठीक है, तो नंबर 1 हमारे पास है Think 100 times before you take the decision. The words are spoken by the Qaid-e-Azam. ठीक है, नंबर 2 है हमारे पास The last Viceroy of India was Lord Mountbatten. ठीक है, The member of the Security Council that has a veto power is The member of the Security Council that has a veto power is France. ठीक है, Discipline and obedience is the theme of Birkenhead drill. ठीक है, UNESCO tries to advance human well-being through education, science and culture. Number 6 हमारे पास है At each sitting, the General Assembly elects its own president. ठीक है, The First World War was fought between 1914 to 1918. Language is always changing and developing. The poem Lucy Gray appeared in the second edition of Lyrical Ballads. ठीक है, The old name of English language is Anglo-Saxon. The foot is the small rhythmical unit of verse. ठीक है, नंबर 12 हमारे पास है Napoleon Bonaparte was the Emperor of France. ठीक है, The Birkenhead sank near Cape Town. Number 14 हमारे पास है The novel The Count of Monte Cristo was written Monte Cristo was written by J.H. Walsh. ठीक है, The Count's Revenge is about love, jealousy and The Count's Revenge is about love, jealousy and revenge. ठीक है, नंबर 16 हमारे पास है The play The Count's Revenge comprises one act. ठीक है, The veiled lady who visited the house of the Count of Monte Cristo was Mercedes. The servant in the play The Progress is Hannah. According to the Henry Curie, the secret of successful invention is relentless. ठीक है, number 20 Eddie was killed in the war at age of 19. अच्छा जी, Beauchamp, the friend of Albert, was a teacher. ठीक है, number 22 हमारे पास है The Qaid-e-Azam did not let anybody know his feelings. Number 23 हमारे पास है Albert tendered his apology to the Count of Monte Cristo. The main ideas of the poem of Owen Adam is to love humanity. ठीक है, Number 25 हमारे पास है Tom Meldon died of broken heart. ठीक है, नंबर 26 हमारे पास है Henry Curie was the uncle of Eddie. ठीक है, 27 The Count of Monte Cristo once saved the life of Albert. Number 28 The pride of a country in the poem The Deserted Village is a blood peasantry. ठीक है, Number 29 है The young soldier who brought the news told Napoleon about the victory over Ratisbon. Number 30 हमारे पास है The expression an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth represent the emotion of vengeance. Before her death, Emily wanted Grubel to love her alone. Okay. In the poem Under the Greenwood Tree, the listeners who are invited are exotic. Okay. Stephen Leacock was behaving like an irresponsible fool as he entered the bank. Okay. Number 34, in Hostile Witness, Charlton not only murdered but also robbed wages. Okay. Number 35 हमारे पास in the poem The Toys. When father visited his son's bed, he found toys. Mrs. Meldon suggested Corey to set the price of his new invention 30 pieces of silver. Okay. Number 37 हमारे पास Science can be defined as a vast collection of facts and ideas. ठीक है. Number 38 है हमारे पास The Count of Morcerf took bribe Am and surrendered the fortress to Turks. For answering King John's question, the abbot was given 3 weeks. ठीक है. Professor Corey expected to revolutionize war by making it more horrible. तो ये थे आज के आपके MCQs और उनके आंसर्स. उम्मीद है कि बच्चों के आंसर्स बहुत अच्छे आए होंगे, सही हुए होंगे, पेपर भी अच्छा हुआ होगा. अल्लाह ताला से दुआ है कि अल्लाह ताला आपको हर तमाम इम्तहानात में कामयाब फरमाए. वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इसको लाइक करें, दूसरों से शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आगे आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.